Hello, all the magical people around. I'm sure you must have done your day one practice, which was count your blessings that you need to do daily for the next 28 days. Please do it, okay? Take them honestly, it will actually change your life. And I'm really grateful to have each one of you join this transformation journey because it has transformed my life. And to read it with you is again a pleasure. So let's start with the day two, which is Magic Rock. And welcome you all to day two, the Magic Rock. And this rock is actually very, very close to me, and I actually carry it daily. So I really hope and I'm sure that you have your magic rock with you. Okay. In this picture, you can see there's a magic rock kept on the table, which you also need to do daily. I hope you have got your magic rock with you. So let's start. Reflect upon your present blessings, of which every man has plenty, not on your past misfortunes, of which all men have some. अगर आप खुद सोचोगे अबाउट योर प्रेजेंट ब्लेसिंग्स दैट यू एक्चुअली हैव राइट नाउ, आप रियलाइज करोगे कि वो बहुत है. एंड यू नो पास्ट में जो भी मिसफॉर्च्यून्स और चैलेंजेस आते हैं वी अल्टीमेटली मूव ऑन, और वो बाद में बहुत छोटे लगते हैं. तो वंस योर कॉन्सेंट्रेशन स्टार्ट्स गेटिंग इनटू ब्लेसिंग्स, योर लाइफ विल चेंज मैजिकली. So, in the beginning of working with these practices, it takes concentrated days in a row to make gratitude a habit. Anything that reminds you to be grateful is helping you turn your life into gold with gratitude. And that's exactly what this magical practice is about. So, just to, remind you that there are many things around for which you should be grateful. एक बार आप ये हैबिट अपने अंदर डाल दोगे, योर लाइफ विल एक्चुअली टर्न इनटू गोल्ड. आप हमेशा पॉजिटिव फील करोगे, आप हमेशा बैड सिचुएशंस में भी पॉजिटिव चीजें निकाल लोगे. ओके, ट्रस्ट मी. आपको हर समय ऐसे फील होगा कि कुछ भी हुआ है तो कोई रीजन ही हुआ होगा. देयर मस्ट बी सम रीजन बिहाइंड एवरी एक्शन. तो आप पॉजिटिवली अपने लाइफ को लेने लगोगे. ओके, सो ली ब्राउनर प्रेजेंटेड द ग्रैटिट्यूड रॉक. दिस इज कॉल्ड द ग्रैटिट्यूड रॉक और द मैजिक रॉक प्रैक्टिस इन द सीक्रेट फिल्म and book. When he told the story of a father of a dying child who used a gratitude rock to be grateful for his son's health, and his son made a miraculous recovery. Since then, gratitude rock has been a proven success with many people the world over who used it for money, healing, happiness, for everything. मैजिक रॉक इज वन थिंग विच यू विल कंटिन्यू फॉर लाइफ. अभी भी कुछ भी होता है, कोई भी चीज चाहिए, यू आर ड्रीमिंग ऑफ समथिंग, दिस इज समथिंग जिसको आप एनर्जी दो एवरी डे. आप बोले कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड एनर्जी आप इसको दो एंड यू विल सी कैसे लाइफ चेंज होता है. ओके, कैसे आपके सारे ड्रीम्स पूरे होते हैं, आप कैसे हील करते हो अपने आप को. First, find a rock or a stone. Choose a small size that fits in the palm of your hand, okay? And that you can close your fingers around. पूरा आपके मुट्ठी में रहना चाहिए, पूरा entirely, पूरा all entirely. ठीक है? Choose a rock that is smooth without sharp edges, not too much weight, okay? And that really feels good in your hand when you hold it. You feel good, okay? You can find a magic rock from your garden. There, that's the best place actually, because वहाँ पे एकदम smooth अच्छे stones मिलते हैं, सुंदर stones मिलते हैं. If you have one, or from a riverbed, creek, ocean, or park. If you don't have easy access to any of these places, then ask your neighbors, family, or friends. You may even have a precious rock or stone already that you can use as your magic rock. When you have found your magic rock, put it by your bedside in a place where you will definitely see it before, when you go to bed. Clear some space if necessary so that, you can easily see that rock whenever you go to bed. If you use an alarm clock, put it next to your alarm clock also. जहां पे भी आप कंफर्टेबल, आप जहां सो रहे हो आप उसको वो विजिबल हो आपके सामने. ओके, tonight just before you get into bed to go to sleep, pick up your magic rock, hold it in the palm of your one hand, and close your fingers around it. Think back carefully through all the good things that happened during the day. ये आपको डेली करना है for the next 26 days. Okay, 27 days together with this day. Okay, and find the best thing that happened that you are grateful for. आज के दिन आपके साथ क्या अच्छा हुआ, पूरे दिन को रिकलेक्ट करो. Then say the magic words, thank you for the best thing that happened. Return the magic rock to its place by your bed, and that's it. That's it. You don't need to do anything else. So every night for the next 26 days, आज मिला के 27. फॉलो द सेम मैजिक रॉक प्रैक्टिस. तो आपको डेली क्या करना है? एक तो काउंट योर ब्लेसिंग्स इन द मॉर्निंग और एक रात को मैजिक रॉक प्रैक्टिस जिसमें आपको थैंक यू करना है. ओके, बिफोर यू गो टू sleep, think back through the day. Find the best thing that happened throughout the day. While holding a magic rock in your hand, be as grateful as you can be for that thing and say thank you. Use a rock seems like such a simple thing, right? ऐसे क्या है? What's this? But through this practice, you will see magical things will begin to happen in your life. Just do it for 28 days or 27 days. Just do it for 27 days. When you look for the best thing that happened during the day, you will search through many good things that happen. आप जब सोचने लगोगे ना आज क्या क्या हुआ तो आपको इतना सारा चीज मिलेगा. And in the process of searching and then deciding on the best one, you are actually thinking of many things that you are grateful for. So you will also be ensuring that when you go to sleep and wake up in gratitude each day. तो आप सो भी रहे हो तो आप gratitude में सो रहे हो तो आपका subconscious mind भी बहुत positive और बहुत thankfully सोएगा. You will have a good sleep and you'll wake up with full energy. So the count your blessings and magic rock practice will ensure that you begin and end your day in a state of gratitude. That was the mystery. Gratitude was the mystery, right? So आपको अपना दिन का शुरुआत और end magic rock and count your blessings से करना है. In fact, they are so powerful that together they would change your life in a few months. But this book is designed to change your life really fast through an abundance of magical practices. So 28 days तक हम बहुत सारा magical practices करेंगे जो आपके life में abundance ला देगा. Because gratitude is magnetic and attracts more things to be grateful for. The concentration of gratitude over 28 days will intensify the magnetic force of your gratitude. So when you have strong magnetic force of gratitude like magic, you will automatically magnetize everything you want and need in your life. So you are going to be a magnet of good things. You are going to be a magnet of beautiful things that will happen in your life. Everything will be in abundance when you start magic practices. So, magic reminder. Today also we are going to read tomorrow's magical practice and then you need to collect some photographs before you begin. Okay? So कल के लिए हम लोग आज ही तैयारी मतलब कल के लिए I'll read the magic practice today ताकि आप पूरे दिन में रेडी कर लो सारे सामान को, वो सारे फोटोग्राफ्स हो ताकि आप कल तक वो सारे फोटोग्राफ्स को रेडी कर लो. So magic practice number 2. This is day 2. The magic rock. फर्स्ट तो आपको क्या करना आपको पता ही है. रिपीट स्टेप्स 1 to 3 of magic practice number 1, which is count your blessings. Make a list of 10 blessings. Write why you are grateful. Reread your list, and at the end of each blessing, say thank you, and thank you. Feel as grateful for that blessing as you can. Then you must have found a magic rock. Put it by your bedside tonight. Before going to sleep tonight, hold your magic rock in your hand and think of the best thing that has happened throughout the day. And say the magic words, thank you for the best thing that has happened today. Repeat the magic rock practice every night for the next 26 days. Okay? So that was all about day 2, magic rock. So 2 practices daily karna hai to start your day and end your day with gratitude. And day 3 का हमें day 3 का magic practice पढ़ना है. Let's read it. What you need for day 3. Okay. So day 3 के लिए you need to choose 3 of your closest relationships and collect a photograph of each person. चाहे आप फिजिकल फोटोग्राफ कलेक्ट करो, चाहे आप मोबाइल में उनका फोटो सामने रख लो, जैसे आपका मन यू कैन डू इट, बट चूज 3 ऑफ योर क्लोजेस्ट रिलेशनशिप. ओके, सो प्रैक्टिस क्या करना है वो हम लोग कल करेंगे, पर 3 फोटोग्राफ आपको रेडी रखना. दैट्स इट. सो आई होप day 2 practice is very clear and you are going to do it, right? All the best for your day 2. Stay tuned for day 3. Thank you.